Let's take a quick look at how you create, rename, and delete files using the C++ standard library. Here I have a working copy of working.cpp from chapter 9 of the exercise files. Let's start by creating a file. And I'm going to name this file1. And so I'll create the file using fopen, get a file handle, and I'm going to use the write mode in our mode string. And I'm just going to go ahead and close it right away with fclose. And then I'll just put a string that says done. Now when I build and run this, it says done, and a file has been created in the directory where my executable is, which is right here. And so if you're on Windows using Visual C++, you already have that command window open, and the file will be right there, and you can just type dir and you can see the file. Here on a Mac, I need to open up this debug directory, and I can do that by right-clicking on working here and say show in Finder, and it'll show me my directory here where the executable is running, and you can see I have that file1 there in that folder. So that file is now created, and now if I want to rename the file, I'm going to create another constant for the name. I'm going to name it 2. Just call it file2. And then down here after the close, I'm going to say rename. And the first argument is what I'm renaming it from. And the second argument is what I'm renaming it to. So the file system will look for the file with the file name file1, and it will rename it to file2. And I'll build and run. And now you'll notice here in my folder, I have a file called file2. And so my file1 file has been renamed to file2. Now, if I want to delete the file, I simply call remove, and its file name is now fn2. It's now the file2 name. And when I build and run, you'll notice that the file is gone. Both rename and remove return 0 on success or a non-zero value if there's an error. And we'll look at how to read the return error codes in the movie on handling system errors. So that's how you create, delete, and rename files using the C++ standard library.